Hi friends, welcome back my channel Gulf Lotto. Today's Mahzooz prediction 5 November 22 1 to 10 2 4 5 and 10 11 to 20 11 14 16 17 19 and 20 21 to 30 25 26 27 28 and 30 31 to 40 32 34 35 36 38 and 40 41 to 49 42 44 45 47 and 48. This is my prediction number. Try on number 5 5 25 35 45 on number 5 25 35 and 45 or on number from 10 20 30 40 on number chance, these two on chance, on number 10 20 30 40. Previous result 4 7 15 40 46. 4 passed, 15 and 40, 3 number passed. Skip a number chance, this is failed prediction. On number from 5 15 or 25, I told 15, this is passed prediction. On number 40 or 10, this is also passed. On number chance 9, this is failed prediction. Try this today's draw on number 9 9 19 29 39 49 on number chance have, and on number chance 4, this is past prediction 4. Repeat on number, this is failed. Try this draw, repeat on number. 3 chances have. On chance, this is previous result. On number repeat. Or on draw before 22 draw. Here on number repeat. Or here on number and here on number. These 3 chances have. Try on number also 4 14 24 34 44. This is 10 9 22 Mahzooz result. Here 14 24 of. After on draw result 34 half. Same like this is 22 Mahzooz result 14 44 half. After on draw 4 also chance. try 4, 34, 24, 14, 44. Thanks for watching. Best of luck.